Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Informatica Cloud Data Integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Informatica Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email and password on the login form. Enter your registered email address into the first field. In the second field, input your password. Double-check both entries for accuracy to avoid any login issues. When you're ready, look for the Sign In button on this page. Click on the Sign In button to attempt to log in to your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Informatica Cloud dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login form. Follow the instructions to reset your password. After resetting, you can return to the login page and re-enter your credentials. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try again. For further assistance, visit the support page available on the Informatica website. Once logged in, explore the features available within the Cloud Data Integration platform. That's how you successfully log into Informatica Cloud Data Integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.